Hey everyone, we at Lloyd X are excited to participate in the polar bear plunge. We can't wait to get wet. I have the stage set. Now I'm just going to look for some willing participants. Stay tuned.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath long about a Saturday night. Yeah, a rub dub, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub and put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And in a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going